Invest now or regret it later. Let's keep it real. Did you know that 78% of people regret not starting their investment journey earlier? It's a staggering number, right? But what does it really tell us? It reveals a widespread sentiment of missed opportunities. You see, the world of investment, be it stocks, forex, stock options, crypto, or real estate, is a realm of endless possibilities. It's a game of patience, knowledge, and timing. And those who entered it early have reaped the most benefits. The heart of this regret lies in the power of compound interest. Imagine if you'd invested just a little each month, starting 5, 10, or even 20 years ago. That money would have grown, multiplied, and compounded, turning your modest contributions into a substantial nest egg. It's easy to look back with regret, but remember, it's never too late to start. As the saying goes, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Renowned financial experts agree. Starting your investment journey early is crucial. Indeed, time is your greatest ally when it comes to investing. It allows for the magic of compounding to work its wonders, turning small, regular investments into a significant nest egg. Let's consider stocks, for instance. The stock market has historically returned an average of 10% per year. So the earlier you start, the more you stand to gain. Then there's forex trading, a dynamic investment avenue that can provide substantial returns if navigated wisely. Stock options, another investment avenue, offer the potential for high returns, although they come with their own set of risks and rewards. Meanwhile, cryptocurrencies have made a splash on the global stage, promising astronomical returns to those brave enough to venture into this volatile market. And let's not forget real estate, a tangible asset that can provide both income and appreciation over time. Diversifying your investments across these areas can help spread risk and increase potential returns. As expert investor Warren Buffett once said, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Such is the case with investing. You don't need to start with a grand portfolio. Even the smallest investment can mark the beginning of your financial growth. Think about it, investing isn't just for the wealthy, it's for everyone. Stocks, forex, stock options, crypto, real estate, you name it. Each offers a unique opportunity to grow your wealth. The key is to start small and grow steadily. Here's what's amazing. The power of compounding can turn even small, regular investments into a significant sum over time. Imagine what could happen if you began investing today. How much more would your money grow if you gave it a chance to compound over several years? Don't be part of the 78% who regret not starting sooner. Begin your investment journey today and shape your financial future. The time is now.